I've come across 5 more YouTube automation niche channels worth trying, and here they are. So the first one is a channel called Top 5 Best. So with this channel, you can see that they've got around 700 videos posted. They're posting only once per week, and for the past 30 days, they've averaged about 1 million views, which is well over $10,000 plus, I imagine. So what I like about this channel in particular is that number one, it's not too old of a channel, okay? It was created in 2018, but I have seen other channels like this in which they're more recent and they are doing well as well. Number two, you can see that the channel here, okay, this is the blue line graph, they're not so reliant on viral videos. Like even if they don't get a viral video, they'll average around 50,000 views a day, which is perfectly fine with me because that equates to just shy of under 1 million views per month. But the best thing about this channel is the affiliate marketing revenue side of it. So when people are searching best laptop for graphic design, best pressure washer, best webcam, that term, that long tail keyword with the word best attached to these long tail keywords, that goes to show that these people are willing to buy something. So with that, when you click on one of these videos and then you go ahead and scroll down, you can see that it's filled with all of these Amazon affiliate links. Okay, so all the products that they talk about within this video are also Amazon affiliate links, which you see here. These videos, the descriptions are very well organized and the videos are extremely high quality. With a channel like this, not only are you making money from the AdSense aspect, but you're also making money from the affiliate side as well. And I imagine people are clicking on these links and Amazon is inputting a cookie in them. And when those people buy from Amazon, this channel is gonna get a commission even if they end up not buying a pressure washer. Very neat channel simply because number one, you can start making money from this channel from day one as long as you start doing Amazon affiliate links. And second, they're not so reliant on viral videos. As you can see here, their views simply just plateau, and even if they stopped posting, this channel would still continue to make money. So moving on to the second channel I want to go over, it is a channel called Countrycast. So this is one of my newest channels that I've found, even though they're very big, but this is one of the most exciting niches that I want to talk about simply because it's a twist on a very popular niche, which is celebrities. So with Countrycast, they target country news and music. So instead of targeting general pop culture, target country, because country, it's a very, very big audience. And if you know country music, if you know country stars, I mean, look at the videos here and see how many views they're getting. Even their short form content videos, which are 2 minutes long, this video has already gotten 1 million views. This video here that's 3 minutes long has already gotten 250,000 views. So this channel is doing absolutely something right. And it's just a nice twist. Instead of targeting just general celebrity news, go into rap, go into country, go into, let's say, pop culture, go into K-pop, niche down a bit more. For me, I actually am starting a channel like this. So this channel started back in 2019, but even so, it's gonna be an ever-going, non-stop posting of upcoming country news, which you can create new and exciting videos on. So with Countrycast, they are posting daily, as you can see here, but their videos, they're not so long. They range anywhere from about 2 minutes to 5 minutes, which also their editing, it's not so great. It's just visuals to accompany with what's being said in the voiceover, but 3.6 million views per month, that is well over 20 grand per month with what this channel is making. Now, moving on to the third channel, we have a channel called Free Investing. This is a channel you may have heard of, but if not, the overhead for this type of channel is going to blow your mind. With Free Investing, they're posting every other day, and you can see in the past 30 days, they've gotten already over 8 million views. So with a channel like this, it's a very interesting channel because I imagine the overhead is gonna be at least $30 or less. But with this type of channel, the individual is taking clips from existing power figures. So we're talking about Warren Buffett, we're talking about Robert Kiyosaki, we're talking about Dave Ramsey. They're taking existing speeches and videos and taking that audio and using that as the voiceover. So now that they have the voiceover, they don't really necessarily need a script writer. They just need a video editor to compile and overlay visuals, as you can see here, of what's being said in the voiceover. So the voiceover, again, it's these power figures. It's these people that people want to click on. People know Robert, people know Dave Ramsey, people know Warren Buffett. So with that, people are clicking on these videos and listening to these speeches. This channel is monetized. And again, the overhead, you can get these videos definitely for less than $30, I imagine. And getting 8 million views per month, that's well over 30 grand per month. This channel is definitely doing something right. Moving on to the fourth channel now, we have a channel called Hungry Passport. So Hungry Passport is probably one of the best travel channels that I've seen just because it's extremely brandable. The thumbnails look amazing. They've been around for some time. They're getting a good amount of views. And not only that, they're actually sponsored. So with a channel like this type of channel, the videos are very well done. The thumbnails are very well done. It's very brandable. and they're going a very long-term route. So as you can see here, they're sponsored by some sort of packing cube, and they're not posting all too often. So they're posting probably just like once per month, but I imagine these videos are very high quality, and they're taking the time to actually spend a lot of time creating these high quality videos. So with Hungry Passport, it is averaging about 1 million views per month, and again, they're only posting about once per month, which is a very low overhead. But the good thing about these videos is that they're completely evergreen. So if you're in the travel niche, learn a lot from this channel. Know that you are in it for a very long-term ride. So notice how some of these videos, they're over 2 years old. So if you're willing to invest that time and actually create quality videos that are going to be relevant 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years down the future, this is a channel that you want to be modeling after. And not only that, they actually are sponsored as well. So another additional revenue stream which can be introduced within the travel niche. The next channel I want to go over is the Geography Bible. So this channel is posting roughly about once per week, and they're averaging about 800,000 views per month, but it looks like they deleted one of their videos. But with the Geography Bible, they have basically a nice twist on the very popular documentary type style new videos that are coming out inspired by Jake Tran. But this channel basically creates these documentaries or films or shorts on geographical places. So as you can see in their About Me, it's a channel dedicated to bring you high quality travel and geography videos. The channel was created in 2020, so not too long ago. But even so, their videos are very high quality. They tell a story, people are able to follow along with it. They only have 100 videos posted, and even so, they've averaging again 750,000 views per month. I have no doubt that this channel is going to get sponsored soon, just because the quality of the videos is there. Each and every single video that they're posting, it is a good video. So take a look at it. It's a twist on the type of video, again, which I like to call documentary type style videos, in which they're talking about certain areas around the world and adding a certain twist to it to make the video more appealing. Take a look at this channel. It is unique. It is one of a kind. I haven't seen another channel do something like this. I know that there's evergreen or green earth type style channels out there, but I do like the twist that this channel is doing. Now, if you're interested in finding out 5 more YouTube automation niche channels that are monetized, but they shouldn't be monetized, make sure to check this video next.